Guys, welcome to Santa Barbara Shores in Pompano Beach. And today we're about to film that beauty on oversized 1,300 square feet lot, 7.5 million beautiful house, 6 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, 2 stories, right on the water. Let's go and take a look inside. Guys, welcome on the first floor of that residence. Let's go and start from this side. By the way, every room in the house has views of that open bay canal. I love it. I did that pause because I enjoyed it for a second. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. You know, every time I've been here 17 years in Miami, in Florida, in Miami, right? And I still enjoy when I do show houses, and sometimes I just stop and I'm like, wow, where I live. Anyway, so first floor, living room. You have a game room. They call it game room. You can close those doors and enjoy your game, poker night with your friends. Or you can privately have a dinner there if you have other guests as well in the house. This one is more formal dining table with the views as well. Sam, you're gonna show the views, right, later on. Look at the kitchen, guys. Kitchen size is tremendous. Huge, huge. Kitchen island made out of quartz, since quartz does not hold the stains and the spots from the red wine or anything else. All appliances top of the line. Look at the size hood. Wolf appliances, as well as a Sub-Zero double-sided fridge. And let's go to that part of the house. That bedroom on the first floor has own private access. If you have a guest or maybe maid, they can use it and they don't have to go through the main entrance. Office, also I think one of the main things that you have to have in a house like that. Sauna. You don't see saunas very often, but in this house it has it. And every bedroom, including this one, has its own ensuite, and as I mentioned, views of the open canal. Let's go and see the second floor of the house, guys. By the way, owner use it as a vacation property, right? And short-term rentals, he rent it out because that location allowed to. It's not everywhere you can do it, and I think it's also one of the good features of the house. If you buy it as a vacation home and you want to come here once or twice or 3 times a year, no matter how many times you'd like to come, and you want to rent it rest of the time, you can use it through Airbnb or other platforms and make, I would say, to cover expenses plus to make extra income. On the second floor, by the way, I like this wooden railings. On the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms on this side. Let's go, guys. Let's take a look. Every bedroom has its own ensuite. It's a really great plus since he does short-term rentals in this property. You have, as I mentioned, 3 bedrooms on this side and the main master bedroom and extra bedroom on the other side as well. As you can see, guys, views. It's all about views in Florida. You can't neglect views in Florida, especially at winter time. When you somewhere in a cold weather and you come in here in Florida and you have those water views in a sunny day, it's something. Here's one more bedroom with own bathroom as well as the closet, and right here, right behind you guys, it's a main primary bedroom with its own bar, and look at the size. It has terrace with a beautiful views, but we'll go there later. Huge size bathroom. I love finishes of this bathroom, guys. Take a look at that wood panels, marble backsplash. By the way, I like when there is a double head showers as well as the double sinks, because you must have it in your house. Otherwise, don't buy that house. And of course, standalone bathtub. And let's take a look at that humongous size closet. Guys, let's go and take a look at the water views from that terrace balcony. It's great size, very deep. It's super quiet here, I love it. Guys, this is how your January should look like. With that view, with the palm trees and coconuts on it, and a beautiful sunny day, and with a great mood and a smile on your face. Guys, and that house comes with a great outdoor playground, I would call it that way. With its own pool, covered outdoor space, beautiful views, and of course with your own private dock. You can park small boat or you can park your huge 70 up to 80 feet yacht. Guys, if any questions about the property, please comment in here. Don't forget to subscribe. Just a reminder, it's a Pompano Beach, Santa Barbara Shores, 7.5 million, 6 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 4,600 square feet. Beauty in Florida. And my name is Denis, and I'll see you next time in my videos. Guys, if you'd like to stay updated with all real estate trends in Miami market, as well with every new development projects, subscribe to our newsletter. We have weekly emails with every detail on what's happening in Miami.